What's going on, everybody? Back at Raystown Lake fishing with my buddy Joe. Never fished with Joe before. He asked me to fish a team club tournament with him. It's like an open buddy for some money. But we fished together today. The fish have to be 15 inches and it's a 4-fish limit. I'm starting the video about halfway through the day. In the morning, I didn't even have the GoPro on. It was just raining, pouring down. It was a cold rain. I was absolutely miserable. Right about now, it's starting to warm up, so let's start the video. We have one little 15-incher in the lava. We need 3 more. So thanks for watching.
Hell, it might be a lunchtime kind of bite.
I think they were feeding this morning. We should. Oh, I just had. Damn it.
You're on them.
On them. Giants.
About 4 times that size.
Yeah. I don't even know if that was a 12. Oh, sorry.
No, I watched that. Guys, I watched it come at you.
I know. I wish I wasn't watching it.
Christ.
You look kind of good,
Yeah.
but it's hard to, you know.
Great.
Little. That's not 15 though, right?
The other one was 15 and a half. It's in the library. Okay. All right. I was hung on here in that fucking tree. That's weird.
Like York, I love it. You know, whether it's me or, you know, somebody I take her to my regular partner. Oh my God, I just got smoked. Hit it again.
So I see fish down there.
Yep.
All right, get them.
No way.
Probably not.
I'll keep, you know, I hate to. There's no way. Really? On that point? Little. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I catch them right here on an A-rig a good bit. Oh, that's better than I thought it was. I don't think he's...
Yeah. He was a keeper yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah. Good one?
Jesus Christ.
Right at the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, he's probably about 13.
He's definitely not 15. If that one you caught up earlier wasn't.
I'll go, let go.
I'm biting you. No, I'm ready to roll when you are. I'm gonna have to clear my reel. Yeah.
Okay. Atta boy.
This freaking reel sucks.
All right, it looks like you want to get down this wall a little bit more?
Yeah, might as well.
All right. Just go. Enjoy. You want to block the net, you know what I mean?
Well, I wasn't gonna give him a chance to get off by you fucking around with that net.
Oh, okay, that's better. I feel better now. I mean...
Good one? Right on that rocky point, that's a good spot. That might keep. That might keep.
That might be close.
He freaking ate it too.
Yeah. Jim Give me 15. Nothing's gonna matter.
Give me the money. I think he is.
Yeah, buddy. We got 3. Yeah.
Do you put call tags or anything on them?
No, I didn't. I didn't put all bags on.
Let's just worry until we get.
Yeah,
Nice job. You might keep.
Boy, he fucking,
Oh no, he's not.
boy, did he fucking hit that? Holy Christ. Christ, I thought it was a fucking giant wave. Fucking hit it. Oh my God.
I'm pretty sure he's barely 12. Oh, you had me all excited.
Yeah, I thought it was like, oh baby, here we go, here's the go.
But just because I'm starting to think, we'll give 18 a go.
Fish off his tree. Right to it. Oh, he come right out to it.
You get him?
Get back.
Take your time. Take your time.
Pretty good.
Dude, that was awesome. Oh, it's a pike.
Is it really?
Yep, muskie.
God damn it. I see that fish smile. Ah, there goes my finger. Good. Boy, I thought that was a fucking big one. Yeah. Oh my God, that's a big muskie. Holy fuck, what are you supposed to do with that? Oh my goodness. Fuck, he ain't gonna fit in the net. Holy Christ, dude.
I thought that was him.
Huh? Well, maybe he had a giant fucking...
I felt one little tap and my line just started swimming away real slow.
Good night. We could try in that. Oh,
He broke it off.
oh, damn.
Good one. No.
Right on that. There's nothing wrong with it.
Good one?
Nah, about the same size. Right on that wood. Dark, huh?
I yo-yoed that thing.
Yeah.
I yo-yoed it one time and I saw him come out and grab it and
Oh, that's done, man.
that's where I want to see him be. Oh,
Yeah, I seen him come off. Don't break it.
I'm like, he wasn't that big.
No. Heads up.
Oh my goodness.
That's a good one, huh?
I don't know.
We'll say it was because we're off.
Did you see how far back in there I cast? It's a good one?
I think maybe it might be pretty close. I said that before today.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Fuck down there.
So we only ended up with 3 fish. It was a pretty tough day. It actually only took 3 fish for 7.5 pounds to get a check. We were just below that with just shy of 7 pounds. One more fish would have definitely got us a check. I think we finished 6th place. They paid the top 5. The video don't do it justice. We actually caught a lot of fish. I didn't show them all on the video just because it was just, you know, 12-inch after 12-inch. Once we figured out that swim jig and that chatterbait deal, he was throwing a chatterbait on the outside edge of the wood, and I was, you know, yo-yoing a swim jig up in the wood. Once we figured that out, we got a lot of bites. It was just a matter of, you know, just couldn't catch, you know, big fish doing it. Fishing tomorrow at the York River Lake. I won my last 3 tournaments there, so I'm pretty excited. Next video will be that tournament. I'm fishing out with my buddy Alex, so, you know, it's time to go home and get ready for that, and I'll be there tomorrow. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time.